What's going on, everyone? This is Drew with Driv Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2023 BMW X6 M50i. This vehicle is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with 523 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle can do 0 to 60 in roughly 4 seconds. So I really like the M50i variants of the X5, X6, and X7 and all that. This is a really nice one. Specifically, it's a 23 with only 16,000 miles, well equipped. Really nice carbon fiber interior. You also have the glass controls. They look beautiful. 360 camera. And as you guys know, I really love iDrive 7. I love this iDrive 7 system over iDrive 8. It looks way more. It looks more timeless, and it looks sportier and more clean. I hate the iDrive 8. It's glued onto the dash on the newer BMWs. This is so much nicer. You have Sport Plus in this vehicle, of course, considering it's an M50i. You have ventilated seats as well. I love the glass control iDrive controller. Here's the center console. You have black seats in this vehicle. It says BMW individual on them. This is like the Napa leather, I'm pretty sure. The headrest feel really comfortable too. And you have an Alcantara headliner, which is nice. Panoramic sunroof as well, also a really cool thing. Heated steering wheel, shift paddles behind the steering wheel. But let's walk around this X6 M50i and see what it looks like. Harman Kardon sound system. Drive It gray exterior. M Sport wheels, blue BMW M Performance compound brake calipers, BMW laser light technology. I love laser lights, they look awesome. This also has the BMW anniversary Roundel logos. The grille on this is also active, meaning the shutters will open, as you can see right there. Man, laser lights just look so good. I love them. This is a really good looking X6 M50i. This is not very common either, especially with the laser lights, Drive It gray and all that. I don't think I've even seen a Drive It gray X6 M50i before. You also have sunshades. This one has like the extended leather, it looks like, because up here it's leather as well. And I love on the M50i models, like the lettering is like, it's like a polished metal look and not just like chrome. Looks good. You have dual outlet exhaust. Actually, it's quad outlet exhaust, but only the X6M will get the actual quad tips. This one will just have the actual quad tips inside, but you have like the square exhaust pieces for the exterior. Here's the trunk. So you have this little X6 cover. But yeah, really good looking car. I drive this all day. I love it. But let's get this X6 M50i out on the road and see what it's made of. You also have a wireless charging tray over here. Just want to make sure the camera view looks good. Perfect. I love this wireless charging tray placement. BMW. This one also has a fancy key. Here's the key to my G80. Oh no, I didn't bring my G80 today, never mind. But I don't have the fancy key on my G80, where this part is also metal. And you have the BMW M colors. You can close the cup holders if you want to. But let's drive this car now. We also have a head-up display. The seats feel nice and comfortable in this. This is a really unique X6 M50i. I love this one. It's really cool. Here's the thing, these M50i models are insanely powerful. Like, you may not even need an X5M or an X6M because of how powerful just the M50s are. That's the crazy thing about them. But look at that. And it sounds amazing, the twin-turbo V8. They both have a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, whether you get an M50i or an M. Full M, right? So... And the thing is, the M50 is more comfortable than the X6M, than the full M variant. So like for daily driving, this is a lot better. And this is also more affordable. You can save a lot of money by getting this. And the performance is pretty much the same. So yeah, this is really good. And this specific one, I'd love to daily drive, considering It's an SUV. The seats are so comfortable. This is really, really nice. This is in great condition. It was barely used. A 23 with 16,000 miles. This is one of the lowest miles in the country. This, like, the steering wheel looks brand new. The whole interior looks new. I love it. And again, I love iDrive 7, so you can like scroll through these, check your driving information, sport displays, and all that stuff. Now that's some BMW M performance. Look at that. So fun. V8 sounds so good. But obviously the exhaust is more mellow in the M50 models than in full M, right? So you're not going to hear like the pops and crackles from the exhaust and everything like that. So that's a big difference you'll notice. Steering is also not as heavy as it is in the full M, like compared to an X6M competition or whatever. But man, power is just so effortless in these vehicles. But BMW M performance vehicles are no joke at all. Like, they're absolute monsters, all of them. By the way, earlier I think I said Napa leather. I meant to say merino leather. I think this is full merino leather. And overall, that concludes today's video on this really cool 2023 BMW X6 M50i. Absolute blast to drive this car. Looks awesome. And as all BMW M performance vehicles are, it is amazing. But thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own BMW M performance vehicle.